Well, as a business, we probably wouldn't even be here without Pawb. Pawb, when we heard that the place was opening, we thought that this would be a perfect place for our shop.
Right, my favourite part about being in it makes me laugh, it's brilliant here. I've made lots of new friends, which is really good, in the shop and outside the shop with the other traders, and it's a nice community.
This is the best place because this is lots of people, nice neighbors, and I hope I stay along this place.
Started very much as a small little niche business, built it up, carried on, and so then we finally got the stall in because it's paid off for us to do it. People are always here. There is, people say it's quiet, it's not. There's a lot of that people get here when there's an event on. It's very busy, and it's paying off, so we're quite happy.